What initially drew me to Lynn was actually I worked through an education counselor that directed me to Lynn as being a place where, one, I could pursue my degree in sports management, but at the same time, meet people internationally. The experience at Lynn University shaped my experience within the business world in the sense that you look at the world as a whole and not as a territory. If I remember correctly, I can't remember the class's names, okay? But it was a class with Dr. Barr and actually with a professor called Matteo Peroni. Those courses enabled me to think out of the box on what two different point of views are. And you are blessed to be in this university that you have this one-on-one connection with your professor. Utilize their connections and utilize the experience that you have at the university. For me, I did that with the NFL, and I did that for the NCAA Final Fours, and that broadened my understanding of what it is to be a sports management professor. And so when it came time to move into my first role, I had the experience that warranted a position that was higher than most. Always be true to yourself, but also be true to others, in the sense that put yourself in other people's shoes. That's my mantra. And what I loved about Lynn is the mandatory internships that you had to go through, because it made it sure that their students, no matter what degree they got, had the best experience to put them in the driving seat when it came to these conversations. Now, internships provide real-time experience into moving into new roles. So that's what I look at. I look at not just internships, but experiences as a whole. Have fun, but at the same time, take your final courses as you finish your undergrad seriously. Because those final courses are going to shape the person you are when you graduate.